Okay, now I'm on page 274 of the Go Math textbook. Again, let's start right at the top. The terms of an expression are the parts of the expression that are separated by addition or subtraction signs. A coefficient is the number that is multiplied by a variable. Okay, so this would be a term, and the 4 would be a coefficient. And the term would be 4k, or 4 times k. The coefficient is 4. And the other term would be 5. Okay, example, identify the parts of the expression. We're identifying terms and coefficients. Then write a word expression for the algebraic expression. Okay, so our two terms here would be 2x and 8, and our coefficient would be 2. So the expression is the sum of two terms. I have 2x is one term and 8 is the other term. The terms are 2x, that's our first term, and 8 is our second term. The first term is the product of the coefficient 2 and the variable x. 2 times x is essentially what that is saying. The second term is the number 8. A word expression for 2x plus 8 is 8 more than the product, because 2x means 2 times x, product of 2 and x. Okay, so let's do the same thing for b. We have two terms, and on the first term, that's the first term, this is the second term. On the first term, the coefficient is 3. On the second term, the coefficient is 4. So the expression is the difference, because we're subtracting the two terms. So the expression is the difference of two terms. The terms are 3a, that's our first term, and 4b, that's our second term. The first term is the product of the variable, the coefficient, excuse me, that's what we want here. Oh, I spelled it wrong. The coefficient 3 and the variable a. There we go, I should have read the whole sentence first. The second term is the product of the coefficient blank and the variable blank. Well, in this term, the coefficient is 4 and the variable is b. So a word expression for the algebraic expression is the difference, because we're subtracting these two terms, of 3 times a and 4 times b. So we're finding the difference of 3 times a and 4 times b. So it's basically just putting this in word form, how you would say it to another person. So if you were on the phone and they said, okay, what's your expression? You would say, okay, I need to find the difference of 3a and 4b, or 3 times a and 4 times b. Either one would be acceptable. So again, there is some room for variation on how you word these, but not a ton of variation, because it has to have the same meaning. Okay. All right, thanks again for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.